Hi, welcome to my channel. This is designed by Erin. I am Erin, and this channel is all about things that are design, decor, and decluttering your home. And I am going to walk you through all the things that I do for my house. Christmas time is my favorite time of year. It's when I look forward to decorating the house, all of my important things in buckets based on what holiday it is, and then I take them out. And the best thing I do to organize is lay everything out and take a look at what I'm going to utilize that year. I will pull out what I'm going to use for decorating. This year I decided to go in a different direction. Instead of decorating very youthful like I have in the past when the girls were little, I decided to kind of do more of a farmhouse Christmas this year. So I needed just a few items, which mostly I got at Target. Lots in the Target dollar spot, and then also in Home Goods. I'm going to walk you through all of the new decor that I got. These little glass Christmas trees were given to me by my mom when I was growing up, and every year I like to put little candies in them like Hershey Kisses just to bring out some color. I always keep a small frame by the front door, and every season I will change out the print to match. And I think it's just a great way of welcoming your guests and showing off the season. I will create a link in the description below to my shop where you can pick one up. This season, Target had so many great candles. This one was one of my absolute favorites, and I just love the way it smells. Thank you all for stopping by to see my decor video. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas season. Please subscribe below if you would like to see more videos, and have a great Christmas. Thanks.